Right, so today we're going to go over the Mobile Mini. This is how it will arrive in a nice bag here for you. Once you open it up, there can be two configurations on the way that you get it. If you have a 12.9 faceplate, it's going to be a little different. We're going to go over that in a different video. So first thing you're going to look for is your bubble mailer. Inside of here, you're going to find the strap for your Mobile Mini, the faceplate screws that match your faceplate. This is in case you need to mount your faceplate onto your kiosk. You're then going to find a drill bit and padding foam. All right, so that's what it comes in our bubble mailer. I'm going to set that aside for a second. When you first receive the Mobile Mini, the back of it is going to look like this, and you're going to notice something different. There's no handles. It's actually facing inwards, which protects it during shipment. On the front, we're going to have our ring light and faceplate of choice. So first thing out of my bubble mailer, I'm going to grab the drill bit, and you can either use a drill, an Allen key, or a screw or a screwdriver that takes the bit. So today I'm going to use a drill, make my life a little easier. And right now I'm going to go around and remove the 4 screws in each corner of the Mobile Mini. I'm going to set these screws aside so I won't lose them anyway. So now you're going to see our Mobile Mini back plate. You're going to have 2 handles with 2 silver attachments. Just keep in mind that these silver attachments, this is how you're actually going to attach your strap, so it's easier to wear the Mobile Mini as a crossbody or just over your shoulder. Keep in mind that these silver rings, they do come undone, so make sure to keep them nice and tight, and before you start any event, I always make sure they're nice and secure. Inside, you're going to find the power cord for your ring light. Now that won't really work too well with the Mobile Mini use, but once you want to put this on your PickStation Mini kiosk, this ring light might come in handy, so keep this set aside for yourself. So now I have flipped the back plate of the Mobile Mini conversion kit, and I'm going to face the handles towards myself. This is the inside of your faceplate. So if you unscrew these 4 screws, this is how you put your iPad in. And just so your iPad isn't sitting against 2 pieces of aluminum, that's why we gave you this pad to put on the back side of your iPad, and then you can secure the securing plate here back in. So I've put my faceplate, I've lined it up on the ring light so that I can now line up the Mobile Mini plate with those same 4 holes. All right, grabbing my drill one more time. And what I do is I just screw it in just enough, and I don't tighten or finalize my tightening until the very end. So I go around and just get the screws in first. This way, if I accidentally misalign something on one of these screw holes, it's not that hard to correct myself. I don't have to take everything back out. Now I'm tightening.